Meningitis B is different from the meningitis most teens were probably vaccinated against when younger. We're getting the word out against meningitis B. Our teens are getting
The divider valve, half of it's been painted or primed. I'll let this dry for a while, and then I'll take a piece of paper sack from the grocery store. I think we have some in there. That's my preference for sanding between primers. It knocks down the like powder that you get on the primer, and I run it over with a piece of paper towel or paper sack. It's a fairly rough paper, and it works really good for knocking off that stuff on the primer. Then I'll put another coat of primer on it and flip it over and prime the other side, and then we'll go on to paint.